Are you fascinated with the term investment banking, or you want to become an investment banker? You might have seen my reel at Instagram or my YouTube shorts, and you might be visiting this video post that. Thank you so much for visiting my videos. Now, if you want to understand the life of an investment banker, we need to understand the functions of the investment bank first. The first function is sales and trading. Second is research and advice. And third is merger and acquisition. These are the primary roles which an investment banker would be doing in their day-to-day life. I keep visiting management institutions, top tier management colleges in India, and I conduct one simple activity there. The activity is very simple, that if you want to get into sales and trading, you need to generate revenue. And most of us, we hate sales. And we do not want to generate revenue, yet we want those fancy titles. Now here the catch is, when I was with Northern Trust into trade execution team, I have not executed any trade less than $20 million. So if an analyst sitting in Northern Trust in Bangalore does not execute a trade less than $20 million, what do you think sitting in the front office, what would be the volume of the trade? That is the first question you need to ask yourself. Now, second analysis which I have heard from the industry professionals is, on an average, an institutional trader, they trade roughly 3 to 3.5k trades in a day. What is their target? To execute 3000 to 3500 trades in a day. Now, if you do the maths, basic maths, let's not keep the number as 20 million. Let's keep number as $10 million. You multiply this 10 million with 3000, you'll get a number. Whichever country you are from, convert that into INR. That is the kind of pressure you need to bear, you need to absorb every day to be part of sales and trading team. The second function is research and advice. When I was working in HSBC, so I was working very closely with the research team because we were monitoring them. And most of the research team professionals, they are qualified CFAs. We at FPI EduTech, we train for CFA. So if you want to do CFA, you can surely reach out to us and we are happy to train you. But is CFA sufficient enough to get you in brands like HSBC, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley? My dear friends, no. You need to have relevant experience. How you can get relevant experience? Start with boutique firms. Build your portfolio. Get your hands dirty. Once you have the relevant experience, once you network with the industry professionals, then there are chances that you can be selected for this role. And the third function is merger and acquisition. These are the millions, billions and $1 trillion deals, guys. We all know how difficult it is a merger or acquisition. Even if there is one question asked by regulators, the deal can be off. Now, what is the alternative? You want to work with brands like JP, you want to work with brands like HSBC, you want to work with brands like Barclays, Citibank. What is the alternative? The alternative is investment banking operations. You'll be believing that this video is talking about investment banking, and yet this guy is adding investment banking operations. Yes, my dear friends. 97% of us in India, we are the investment banking operation professionals. We are not front office professionals. What we do here? We work. If you want to watch in detail a video, what we do as an investment banking operation professionals, I'll be recording my video and publishing at my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Keep loving me.